In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chat history in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're moving to a new platform, keeping a record for future reference, or just want to declutter your chat space, knowing how to export your chat history is a handy skill. And the best part, it's easier than you might think. So let's dive right in. To begin the process, you need to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Privacy Dashboard. This is your one-stop shop for managing the privacy settings related to your Microsoft account, including the download of personal data. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. Make sure you use the same Microsoft account that you use for Microsoft Teams. This ensures that you're accessing the relevant data associated with your team's usage. After successfully logging in, look for the section titled Download Your Data. This is where you'll initiate the export process. Click on Export Your Data to get started. Now, in the options that appear, select Chat History to target the data from your team's conversations. You may also have the option to include other data types if needed, but focus on chat history for today's purpose. Once you've selected chat history, you'll see a button labeled Submit Request. Click on this and your request to export the chat data will be queued. It's worth noting that this step might require a little patience. The process can take up to 24 hours as Microsoft gathers your data from its servers. You'll be notified via email once your export is ready for download. Now, while you wait, I'll share a quick tip. Make sure the email address associated with your Microsoft account is up to date and accessible, as this is where you'll receive the notification. You don't want to miss it. Once you receive the email, follow the included instructions to download your data. Typically, this will be packaged in a zip file containing your chat history in either JSON or HTML format, which are common data formats that you can open using various applications. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your chat history from Microsoft Teams. This straightforward process ensures that your communications are safely stored outside of the app, providing you with peace of mind and easy access to past conversations whenever you need them. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides on maximizing your productivity tools. Have a great day.